A-10 Thunderbolt 2s, Moody Air Force Base. Here at the 2019 Dover Airshow, we've got lots of planes on static display. Please take a look on the inside to video yourself with that, but we want to remind everyone, no smoking around any of the aircraft whatsoever. Absolutely no smoking. And when you get yourself something to drink, please take a few extra moments, find the nearest trash can, and throw that trash away. We really appreciate that. Thank you so much. The Cat 232, this is a unique aircraft because it was actually built. And we got his wife up here with us today. She's going to be doing the play-by-play for Grant. And he even left the plane painted, just like it looked when it came over from France.
That's right, we did. It's from Toulouse, France, home of the Airbus. And it stayed in the original French competition team schematic. So we loved it. My husband, not so much. But you know what? We fell in love with the name Bubbles, and we ran with it. So yes, Bubbles is getting ready to take to the sky in just a moment.
It's a unique aircraft.